Welcome back students. Today I'll be teaching you how to remove the background image from your selfie images. So sometimes we want to remove our background images and we are finding it difficult. Yes, if you are accurate in using Photoshop, then you can easily do it, or some PicsArt app is there on your mobile. But I am telling you very simple way how to remove that things with the help of free website which allows you to remove background in few clicks. So without wasting time, I'll open the browser. I am using Chrome here. You can use any, whichever you feel like. So I'll click upon my Chrome browser and here I'll type remove BG. This I'll type remove BG, okay, and then I'll click on search. So by default you could see here on the top the main website which comes in front of you. I have to click upon this website, this one. So I'll click upon this and as a result this website is in front of you. Now our main purpose is to upload the image. Here we have to click. I'll click on upload and I am having some images which I have already downloaded. You can use your image. Suppose I am using this image. Click on done. It will take little time and as a result your image will be uploaded, and you could see here it has automatically deleted the background. I have not done anything. So see, it's a kind of a magic, nothing I have used. Now I can click upon edit. Here is the edit. So I'll click it here. It will take a little while, and here the different options you could see. Suppose I want to change the background. If I'll click it here, you could see here. So where I am doing here. So different options are there. I can click upon any. Suppose I want to use this background or this background. You see, it's so simple. Many backgrounds are there, and not only this, you can try as many as you feel like. See, show any, and along with it on the top blur option is also there. Sometimes we want that our image should be focused, so I can use this. On the top blur is there, so I can use the blur settings. Just see what I am doing. Firstly, I am trying this option, this one. Now if I have clicked it, it is very simple. You could say the first setting of blur. Number 2, you could see here, you could see the difference. I hope you will notice it. Number 3 and number 4. So I hope this is okay for me. So I think so you will feel this option very beneficial for you, and after that you are satisfied. Even you can use colors also, background colors you can use. See, I can use any colors from here. If you want to make one portrait for your school, you can easily do it for background color, or you can select any color whatever you feel like from here. And then afterwards you are satisfied. I'll close it, and then I want to download this. So for downloading, you could see here on the top option is there. I'll click upon this. I can download the image or share the image. Share the image, suppose I want to share on my WhatsApp, I can easily share it, or newsfeed, Instagram. So I can do it. or otherwise I can download the image. So in this way I can download whatever the name I want to give. I can give the name here. Suppose I have giving the name as ABC and download. So if I want to open it, I'll open it and you could see. So I hope you will be benefited by this tutorial. In few clicks you are able to change the background. So I'll stop my tutorial here only. In comments, if you feel any problem is there, you can type your comments there. So I'm closing my tutorial. Till then, bye.